Breakfast time. Except we gotta work for it first. And he's not thrilled about that. Here. Come on. Sit. Good boy. Touch. Good boy. Spin. Good boy. Twirl. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Wait. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Focus. Good boy. Okay. He's got chicken quarters, some ground meat, some turkey necks, beef organs, blended veggies and fruit. What else did I put in there? I don't remember. There's something else, I think. It's always different each time I set it up. He's always got his meats and his organs and his boneses. Num num. Grody. I gotta drop it on the ground, that's gross. Good boy. Thank you for chewing that all the way. And there's the turkey neck. Yeah, turkey neck. Look at your pretty teeth. He gets raw for breakfast, and then he gets some kibble throughout the day. Between training and if we don't do his basically meal of kibble throughout training, then he gets the rest of it in his bowl. Num num. Well, I guess to clean that bowl now.